Friends and subscribers, today I'm in Tianjin, China, which is just to the east, direct east of Beijing. Now with the fast high-speed rail you can get there in about a half an hour, even less than that. Before it took like 70-80 minutes. So today, just walking around Tianjin and taking a look at how the city's set up. It's kind of a mixed bag. You know, down here in the financial district you've got kind of a colonial type of feel to it. You've got some buildings that are definitely not Chinese, and it has kind of like a Havana, Georgia type feel to some of the streets. Other parts are slightly industrial, a lot of old residential buildings, and so there's not a whole lot of renewal except for down here. There is quite a lot of smog and air pollution that I noticed. And I'm right across from Tianjin China gold coin. So we'll go in, take a look, see if I can find anything interesting. It looks to be quite a big China gold coin store. Investment grade silver bars at spot price. Proof positive that yes, indeed, you can buy gold and silver bullion at spot. Only in China, to my knowledge. Handsome bars. Each year has its own year seal. That's last year's rabbit seal. This year they have dragon seals on them. So I'm going to definitely take a close look at it and consider buying at least 500 grams, maybe even more. Okay. It's a solid 50-gram bar from this company. The company's called Toza.
保全
投资
钱币投资有限公司
Okay, great. It's LBMA, which is interesting because there's been a lot of news about LBMA and China investors actually purchasing that exchange, I believe. So price is just about at spot for a gram, so I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to get this nice bar here, this nice poured bar with the LBMA exchange stamp on it for spot price, and if I like it I'll buy even more. So let's go ahead and do it. $69.70 or $69.70, $77, $475. Oh, it's not coming up to weight. 475 grams. That's not 500 grams. That's got me worried. Especially with packaging, it should add another gram or so at least. Curious. Yeah.
Only this one.
Oh, I like that one. That's 508.
Okay.
Yeah, let me have a look at the bar. That's a winner. But often with poured bars, what you'll get is no two poured bars are going to weigh the same. And that's kind of the hit and miss thing. Sometimes you'll come ahead and sometimes you'll come out behind, but you always want to weigh them to make sure. In this case, I come out ahead.
This one
and if I buy enough bars, then I can get more weight. Yeah, it's okay. Let me take a look. Nice little river walk right there. Still a lot of construction going on, and you see some people fishing down there underneath that bridge. And this concludes the trip, the day trip to Tianjin, and silver bar purchase. 500 grams. Comes in a nice little velvet type of packaging here, and it actually weighed out to 508 grams. No complaints here because the other bar was $4.74, $4.75. So you know, you want to make sure you weigh this stuff. I mean, especially here in China, because you never know what you're gonna get. It's got a little COA there, but it's hard to say exactly how many were minted until the end of the year, because these are the Dragon seal for this year of this popular bar from a company that mints silver and gold. They gave me an address of the other locations. You can actually, since it's investment grade silver bars and gold bars they sell, you can actually sell these back at market price at any location for this company.